Controversy in the LDS Church. Women asking to lead opening and closing prayer at the upcoming General Conference have sparked nationwide debate. ABC 15's Monica Limpert is live in our newsroom with more on what these women are saying is an issue of gender equality. And Monica, I understand that this group also started a Facebook group asking people to write letters.
That's right. I have it up here right next to me. It's called Let Women Pray in General Conference. It has close to 1,000 members already. And as you mentioned, they're asking people who support this to write letters to their church leaders. While many comments here on this page are in favor of this movement, some have very strong words to oppose it. Take a look at what Wendy McDaniel says. Stop whining about this, women, and start upholding your priesthood holders. First, you embarrassed yourselves by wearing pants to church, and now this. Well, women are allowed to lead opening and closing prayer at their home churches, but it has not yet happened at a general conference. We reached out to the Church of Latter-day Saints in Mesa about this issue, and spokesman Eric Hawkins gave us this statement in quote saying, "Decisions on speakers and prayers at general conference were made several weeks ago, and assignments were given to the men and women involved last week. Customarily, details of the conference programs are not announced until general conference." Now, this group of women supporters are asking people who are in support of this cause to write letters by February 22nd. This will be just in time for the April General Conference in Salt Lake City.
Yeah, it'll be interesting to see if they make any changes. Thank you,
Definitely.
Monica.